Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of our series Strategies. In this episode, I will be discussing the study plan for financial reporting paper 1 of CA final new syllabus, which is going to be held in July 21, starting from 5th of July most probably. Before this video, just share the study plan for your July 21 examinations, and the study plan covers a period 28th May till 30th of June along with the final revision for FR. So this video is basically for the revision of FR from 28th of June till 28th of May till 2nd of June for 6 days, 12 hours each day. Starting from the very first day, which is tomorrow, which is 28th of May, I have allocated time for Ind AS related to assets, which basically covered Ind AS 16, Ind AS 38, 36, 40, 105, Ind AS 23 and leases Ind AS 116. Moving on to 29th of May, I have allocated time for business combination and consolidation, which is quite a broad topic. So I think it can take around 8 to 10 hours, but I have allocated 12 hours full in full length. Moving on to 30th of May, the third day, we will be doing the two or major indices, which is 115 revenue, which is quite big, which will itself take around 4 hours. Ind AS 33 earning per share, Ind AS 102 share based payment, and Ind AS 41 agriculture. Means if you are taking 4 hours for Ind AS 115, 2 hours for Ind AS 33, 2 hours for 102, then you can spend around 1 hour, 2 hours for solving the questions of that each Ind AS, and also you can spend time 1 hour like for Ind AS 41, as Ind AS 41 agriculture is quite a small topic. Moving on to fourth day, which will be the 31st of May, I have allocated time for financial instrument, which is again quite a wide chapter. Along with that, you will be doing income tax Ind AS, which is Ind AS 12, and along with that, Ind AS 108 operating segments and Ind AS 24 related parties. Moving on to the 1st of June, I have allocated time for the remaining Ind AS, which includes Ind AS 21 forex or rather foreign exchanges, Ind AS 37 contingencies and provisions, then Ind AS 1, 2, 8, 10, 7, 130 and Ind AS 20. This all are small Ind AS which will require max 45 to 30 to 45 minutes to revise. So you can cover all in within a day. For the last day, which is the 2nd of June, I have allocated it to the remaining topics: Ind AS 19 employee benefits, integrated reporting, CSR, and any other Ind AS which is left out like Ind AS 34 interim financial reporting. So this is the 6-day plan from 28th of May till 2nd of June, which will help you to study the entire syllabus. Don't be in hurry, revise it very sincerely, as you will again get 5 days time in July to revise the FR syllabus again. Do it sincerely. I hope this plan would help you out. I've also uploaded a PDF file for the FR plan in the description below. You can download it and keep for your future reference. I hope the video is helpful. Thanks for your time. Signing from today videos.